हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल। आज हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे न्यू 10 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस विद रिलेटेड डिसेबिलिटी स्टडीज। लेट अस स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. What do you mean by disability? Option A, a physical disability is a physical condition that affects a person's mobility, physical capacity, stamina or dexterity. Option B, a physical disability is a physical weakness. Option C, a person who physically disabled to perform certain tasks. Option D, all of the above. What do you mean by disability? Basically, question is saying disability का मतलब क्या है. If we talk about the right answer of the question, right answer will be option D, that is all of the above. Basically, disability is a physical disability or mental disability that affects a person's mobility, physical capacity, stamina or dexterity. A physical disability basically is a physical weakness, and in physical disability, a person who is physically disabled, who is unable to perform certain tasks. So right answer will be option D, that is all of the above. Question number 2. Which among the following is not the type of disability? Option A, physical disability. Option B, mental disability. Option C, learning disability. Option D, limb disability. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज limb disability. Basically, this is a disability which not comes under the types of disability, but physical disability comes under type of disability, and mental disability is also a disability, and learning disability is also a disability, but limb disability is not and comes under the types of disability. Question number 3. Equity and inclusion for children with disabilities means equal. Option A, opportunities. Option B, treatment. Option C, rights. Option D, participation. Option E, all of the above. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, द चिल्ड्रन विद डिसेबिलिटीज should get equal opportunities, should get equal treatment, should get equal rights and participation. So right answer will be option E, that is all of the above. Equity and inclusion for children with disabilities means equal treatment, equal opportunities, equal rights, equal participation. Question number 4. The Persons with Disabilities Act was passed in 2016. Defines how many disabilities? Option A, 49. Option B, 20. Option C, 21. Option D, 22. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, जो भी ये एक्ट बनाया गया था 2016 में, इसमें कितने डिसेबिलिटीज़ मेंशन किए गए थे? इसमें बेसिकली 21 डिसेबिलिटीज़ को मेंशन किए गए थे. इससे पहले जो 1995 का एक्ट था, उसमें 7 डिसेबिलिटीज़ पहले मेंशन किए गए थे, बट जब ये 2016 एक्ट लाया गया तो इसमें 14 डिसेबिलिटीज़ को और ऐड किए गए थे. तो टोटल इसमें डिसेबिलिटीज़ बेसिकली 21 है. इसमें टोटल आज 21 डिसेबिलिटीज़ है, पहले 7 थे, आज है 21. Question number 5. The following is a characteristic of disability. Option A, intellectual. Option B, physical. Option C, sensory. Option D, all of the above. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. These are all the characteristics of disability, that is intellectual, that is physical, that is sensory. Basically, these are intellectual disability, physical disability, and sensory disability. Question number 6. Person with low vision means option A, legal blind with residual vision. Option B, refractive error. Option C, impairment of visual functioning even after treatment or standard refractive correction. Option D, functional vision loss. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज impairment of visual functioning even after treatment or standard refractive correction. So person with low vision means impairment of visual functioning even after treatment or standard refractive correction. Question number 7. What are the requirement and needs of the disabled? Option A, peer group support. Option B, housing. Option C, transport. Option D, all of the above. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द above. Basically, these are all the requirement and needs of the disabled, that is peer support, housing and transport. Question number 8. Which of the following should include data regarding children with disabilities? Option A, National Census and Household Surveys. Option B, Situations Analysis. Option C, Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey MICS. Option D, all of the above. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, which of the following data, so question is saying which of the following should include data regarding children with disabilities. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, that is all of the above. These are all the data regarding children with disabilities, that is National Census and Household Surveys, Situations Analysis and Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey MICS. Question number 9. The Assistive Devices Scheme in India provides aids and appliances to persons with disabilities. In which year was this scheme launched? Option A, 2014. Option B, 2011. Option C, 2008. Option D, 2005. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, that is 2008. Basically, the scheme was launched in 2008. The Assistive Devices Scheme in India provides aids and appliances to persons with disabilities. It was launched in 2008. Question number 10. This question is the last question of the video. The Scheme for Implementation of Persons with Disabilities Act was launched in India to promote the implementation of the provisions of which act? Option A, the Rights of Persons with Disability Act. Option B, the Persons with Disabilities Equal Opportunities Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act. Option C, the National Trust Act. Option D, the Mental Health Care Act. अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन की यहाँ पर राइट आंसर की बात करेंगे, राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी, that is the Persons with Disabilities Equal Opportunities Protection of Rights and Full Participation. Basically, the Scheme for Implementation of Persons with Disabilities Act was launched in India to promote the implementation of the provisions of under the Act, the Persons with Disabilities Equal Opportunities Protection and Rights and Full Participation. Allah Hafiz.